Today, I'll show you how to use the KuCoin Trading Bot step by step, from setup to strategy, so you can start automating your crypto trades like a pro. If you're tired of watching charts all day, this is going to change how you trade forever. And don't miss this. When you register with my referral code bonus 8888, you can unlock exclusive rewards and bonuses on KuCoin. Let's dive in. KuCoin is one of the largest global crypto exchanges, with millions of users, strong security, and a full suite of automated trading tools. Their built-in trading bots let you trade 24/7 without constant manual effort. Think of them as your personal assistants in the market. They buy low, sell high, and follow your set strategy automatically. The goal isn't to predict the future. It is to manage volatility and capture profit from regular price movements. KuCoin currently offers 6 major bots, each designed for different strategies. Spot Grid Bot, perfect for sideways markets. It buys low and sells high within your price range. Futures Grid Bot, same concept but on futures trading with leverage. Higher risk, higher potential reward. DCA Bot, dollar cost averaging. It automatically buys your favorite coin at intervals, great for long-term investing. Infinity Grid Bot, similar to Spot Grid, but adjusts automatically when price trends upward. Smart Rebalance Bot keeps your portfolio balanced automatically, ideal for multi-coin investors. Each bot has its own use case. We'll focus on the Spot Grid Bot, since it's the easiest and safest to start with. The Grid Bot works best in sideways or range-bound markets, where the price moves up and down between two levels. If the market is trending sharply upward or downward, it might not perform well, so it's important to pick the right conditions. A simple rule: when you see a coin moving within a range for a few days or weeks, that's a good candidate for grid trading. Step-by-step setup tutorial. Step 1. Go to the official KuCoin website or open the KuCoin app. If you're new, sign up and enter referral code bonus 888 during registration to get rewards. Step 2. Log in and tap the Trading Bot section from the homepage. Step 3. Choose your preferred bot. We'll select Spot Grid. Step 4. Pick a trading pair, like BTC, USD. Step 5. You can let KuCoin auto-generate parameters or set them manually. If you want manual control, set your lower price limit, where the bot starts buying. Set your upper price limit, where it starts selling. Choose how many grids, levels you want between them. Enter your investment amount. The more you invest, the more active grids the bot can open. Step 6. Review the summary and click Start Bot. Your bot will immediately begin trading automatically based on the grid you defined. How the bot works behind the scenes. Here's what happens next. The bot places multiple buy orders below the current price and sell orders above it. Every time the price drops and rises again within your range, it buys low and sells high, locking in small profits repeatedly. Over time, those small profits add up, especially in a choppy, sideways market. You can monitor all your trades in the Running Bots section anytime. Tips for maximizing profit. Choose high-volume pairs like BTC, USDT for more consistent trades. Don't set your grid too wide. Tighter ranges make more frequent trades. Always start small while learning. Revisit your grid settings if market conditions change. Avoid leverage until you're fully comfortable with how bots behave. Remember, even the best bot can't fix bad market timing. Be strategic. Risks and limitations. Trading bots don't guarantee profits. If the price moves far below your lower limit, the bot will stop selling and could leave you holding assets at a loss. And if the market breaks out upward, your sell orders might finish early, missing some upside. So always monitor and adjust your parameters. It's automation, not magic. When you register using referral code bonus 888, you can unlock exclusive KuCoin bonuses and promotions for new users. You'll find the sign-up link below in the video description. Make sure to enter bonus 8888 during registration. That's how your bonus gets applied. So that's the full KuCoin Trading Bot tutorial. If you've been curious about automation in crypto trading, this is one of the easiest places to start. It's simple, transparent, and available directly inside your KuCoin account. Just remember, Trade responsibly, use proper risk management, and always stay informed. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below with which bot you're using right now. And again, use referral code bonus 8888 to get your welcome rewards when you sign up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.